Hello, and welcome to the exciting world of YouTube automation. If you've ever dreamed of creating captivating YouTube content with minimal effort, you're in the right place. Today, I'll introduce you to a revolutionary approach that combines the power of AI and cutting-edge tools to streamline and automate your video creation process. First, we'll look into what YouTube automation is all about. Imagine having more time to focus on your strategy and growth while your channel continually gets enriched with high-quality content. One of the incredible tools we'll talk about today is ChatGPT for script writing. Next, we'll talk about Pictory AI. Pictory is a state-of-the-art AI tool that auto-generates visual, compelling, and engaging videos with superior AI voiceover. It's about enhancing the quality and appeal of your videos, ensuring that each one captures your audience's attention. But seeing is believing, right? That's why I'll be showing you a live demo of how these tools work together to create YouTube content that stands out. Plus, as a bonus, you'll receive my free ebook on the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. And it is packed with insights and strategies to turn your content into a revenue stream. Now, with these 3 steps, as I teach in my course, I started off with my first YouTube automation channel, and I made a few $1,000s in the first week. And after 6 months, I was at $200,000. And I can show you how to do that in the course. So get ready to transform the way you create content and unlock the full potential of your YouTube channel with automation.
Hello, and welcome to the world of YouTube automation, your fast track to content creation. Before we get started, let me give you an auto-generated, faceless overview of YouTube automation so that you can see the difference, because I want to tell you about using artificial intelligence to automate content creation for your faceless YouTube channel. Let's take a look at what I like to call true YouTube automation, smart AI that makes content creation a breeze. Until now, what many considered automation was essentially outsourcing content development to offshore teams for script writing and video production. But today we're talking about a game-changing approach that puts real automation at your fingertips. With the advent of ChatGPT, script writing is no longer a time-consuming task. In minutes, you can have engaging scripts ready to go, tailored specifically to your audience's interests and needs. Next up is Pictory, a groundbreaking tool that transforms these scripts into visually compelling, engaging videos complete with superior AI voiceovers. This isn't just about cutting corners. It's about enhancing the quality of your content while saving invaluable time. In just a moment, you'll see a demonstration of a video that took less than 10 minutes to produce from script to final cut. This demo will showcase the remarkable capabilities of these tools and the kind of high-quality content they can generate. But let's not forget, creating great content is just the first part of YouTube automation. The second crucial phase is monetizing your channel. That's where the YouTube Fast Track course comes in. This course is designed to teach you ingenious strategies to automate marketing and affiliate revenue, turning your channel into a money-making machine. By clicking the link in the description below, you'll not only get access to this free course, but also receive the free ebook detailing the 3 steps of monetizing automated YouTube channels. So this is what true automation looks like. And next, watch a demonstration of the high-quality content you can produce with ChatGPT and Pictory. This is content with valuable information that is compelling and engaging, and that can go viral. Check it out.
Welcome. I'm excited to tell you today about my themed video series, What's in My Bag? Affiliate marketing strategy made me $34,800 in 30 days by making 3 videos that took me 5 hours each. Here's an overview of what I did. I successfully created themed video series that resonate deeply with my audience's interests, covering tech gadgets, travel essentials, and fitness products. This approach involved actively engaging with my audience through social media to determine which items to feature in each video, ensuring the content is both relevant and engaging. The videos showcased a range of affiliate-linked products, seamlessly integrated into the narrative and complemented by interactive elements such as clickable icons and QR codes. Post-release, I engaged further with my audience through live Q&A sessions and strategically placed affiliate links in the video description and comments. This audience-focused strategy has been incredibly effective, demonstrating the practical and profitable potential of engaging themed video series, What's in My Bag? Affiliate Marketing. In my 30-day mission to boost earnings through affiliate marketing, I concentrated on 3 premium products: the Apple Watch Series 8, MSI Titan GT77HX gaming laptop, and Abyss AB1266 Phi-TC headphones. My videos typically hit 100K views in the first month, so my objective was to significantly increase the click-through rate, center on these high-performing videos to enhance revenue. Achieving this required a blend of carefully crafted content and interactive engagement strategies designed to captivate viewers and encourage more clicks on my affiliate links. Day 1 through 5 Research and Analysis. For the first days, since I had never done a "What's in my bag" affiliate marketing video before, I looked at other popular YouTubers who had millions of clicks. I started by identifying key players and influencers in my niche who had high engagement rates in their "What's in my bag" videos. Video analysis. I meticulously watched several of their most popular videos, paying close attention to the structure, how they introduced products, the style of their content, the pacing of the video, description and link placements, and their calls to action. Using vidIQ, the best YouTube keyword and analysis website, link down below in the description, to determine user engagement. I analyzed their videos' engagement metrics, likes, comments, and especially the click-through rates where available. I also went through viewer comments to understand what the audience appreciated or pointed out in the video. I observed how they structured their video descriptions, where they placed affiliate links, and how they formatted them for easy accessibility. Based on my analysis of top-performing videos in my niche, I implemented several concrete strategies to increase my click-through rate. Engaging video intros. I observed that successful videos often started with engaging hooks or teasers about the products. So, I began crafting compelling intros like, "How the Apple Watch Series 8 could save your life, find out now," and "Transform your fitness game with the Apple Watch Series 8, here's why." Strategic CTA placement. I noticed that effective CTAs were often placed not just at the end, but also mid-video, especially right after highlighting a key benefit of a product. I incorporated this by placing CTAs immediately after discussing the most attractive features of the products. Interactive elements. Inspired by how others used on-screen graphics for CTAs, I included clickable pop-up icons during key moments in the video. These were timed to appear when viewers' interest in a product peaked, making it easier for them to access the affiliate links. Storytelling approach. The most engaging videos told a story or shared personal experiences with the products. I started weaving narratives around how the products fit into everyday life or solve specific problems, making the content more relatable and engaging. Viewer engagement in comments. I followed the practice of actively responding to comments, as this not only boosts engagement but also serves as a platform to reiterate CTAs and remind viewers about the affiliate links. Day 6-7 Reaching out to affiliates. I contacted affiliate programs for these products. I reached out to Amazon Associates, Best Buy's affiliate program, and B&H Photo Video's affiliate program. By the end of the day, I heard back from Amazon Associates and Best Buy's affiliate program, both approving my participation. Day 8 Filming the first video. In 45 minutes I filmed this video showcasing the Apple Watch Series 8, emphasizing its advanced features and sleek design. Day 9 Editing and uploading. I edited and uploaded the Apple Watch video, ensuring to embed interactive affiliate links. I kept my video private to work on SEO next. Day 10 Search engine optimization. I used vidIQ to get the keywords for the video name, description and tags to ensure that my video would be found in YouTube searches. All set now, I launched the video, making it public. Day 11 Filming the second video. The next video focused on the MSI Titan GT77HX gaming laptop. I highlighted its gaming perks and powerful performance. Day 12-14. Video edit, vidIQ SEO, and launch. Day 15 Third video filming. Showcasing the Abyss AB1266 Phi-TC headphones, focusing on their unparalleled sound clarity and bass. Day 16-18. Video edit, vidIQ SEO, and launch. Day 19-30 Marketing and community engagement to boost video views and increase the click-through rate. Here's how I approached it. Social media blitz. I shared my videos across all my social media platforms multiple times a day, using different captions and hashtags to reach a broader audience. I created short teaser clips from the videos, highlighting the most intriguing aspects of the Apple Watch Series 8, MSI gaming laptop, and Abyss headphones, and shared these teasers on platforms like Instagram Stories, Facebook, and Twitter. Engaging directly with the community, I hosted live Q&A sessions on YouTube and Instagram, where I discussed the products featured in my videos, answered viewer questions, and subtly reminded them about the affiliate links in the video descriptions. I responded to comments on YouTube and social media posts, fostering a sense of community and keeping the conversation going around the products. Collaborations and shoutouts. I reached out to fellow content creators and influencers for shoutouts or collaborative posts, increasing exposure to new audiences. Content repurposing. I converted segments of the videos into blog posts and infographics, which were then posted on relevant online forums and tech blogs, providing backlinks to the YouTube videos. These were my results. Apple Watch Series 8. Price, $799. Commission, 5%. 100,000 views, 6% center, 1.5% conversion rate, 90 sales. Earnings of $3,595.50. MSI Gaming Laptop. Price, $5,964. Commission, 5%. 150,000 views, 4.5% center, 1% conversion rate, 68 sales, earning me $20,258.40. Abyss Headphones. Price, $6,095. Commission, 5%. 80,000 views, 6% center, 0.75% conversion rate, 36 sales, earnings me $10,971. Total earnings in 30 days was $34,824.90. That's right, with 15 hours of work, using my theme series, I made $34,800 in 30 days. I multiplied my success by strategically aiming to triple my center and focusing on high-value affiliate products. This success underscores the power of a targeted approach in affiliate marketing, where engaging content and smart marketing strategies significantly boost earnings. For more information on this and related subjects, check out our blog. Don't miss out. Take the free course and create a passive income stream today. And join our Facebook group. It's a community of like-minded people elevating their personal finances, where you can get practical advice, tips, and strategies. The links are down below in the description.